Rafale
deal.
रफाल लड़ाकू विमान की खरीद
Rafale deal.
1600 करोड़ रुपए प्रति हवाई जहाज हो गया।
But what really is the Rafale deal about? Some years ago, the Indian Air Force put forth a requirement of more than 200 fighter jets. In response, the UPA government floated a tender and invited bids from all over the world. After various rounds and tests, the Rafale and Eurofighter Typhoon were shortlisted. Then a detailed evaluation took place wherein the UPA government decided on the Rafale, which had an outstanding low life cycle cost, and a deal was struck for 126 Rafale jets. Out of the 126 jets, 18 were to be purchased in flyaway condition for immediate use of the Indian Air Force. The remaining 108 jets were to be manufactured in India by the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited or HAL, a public sector company which would have created potential for employment and infrastructure development within the country. Moreover, the deal would also enable transfer of technology to the Indian company so that in future, India could boost its manufacturing sector. Price negotiated per aircraft was 526 crore. Now cut to 2014. Mr. Narendra Modi comes to power. He also announces his Make in India program. On 8th of April 2015, India's Foreign Secretary states that deal between HAL and Rafale remains intact. But surprisingly, within 2 days, Mr. Modi announces that previous deal is scrapped and a brand new deal would be negotiated. Why? Well, the Modi government does not explain. On 30th of July 2015, and India officially withdraws from the 126 Rafale jets tender to negotiate a new deal. Number of Rafale jets goes down from 126 to just 36 jets. Price goes up from rupees 526 crore to rupees 1670 crore per jet. That's more than 3 times. And in comes Reliance, out goes the HAL, a company which has zero experience in building aircrafts, headed by a CEO who has a shocking 35,000 crores in debt, gets the contract without any consultation with the cabinet. Basically, 36 planes, 60,000 crores, no Make in India, corruption galore. A classic Modi government decision. One thing is apparent here, that this BJP government is doing their best to return favors to those who sponsor them. But they are doing it with taxpayers' money, our money.